Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you the quickest way to install a local server on your Windows computer using something called Laragon. First, go to your browser and search for Laragon. Then click on the first link. So, what's Laragon? Laragon is a web server solution stack, just like XAMPP, WAMP and EasyPHP. It is one of the best alternatives to XAMPP. It's very easy to use, so it's great for beginners. For example, it automatically creates virtual hosts for you whenever you add a new project. Once you use it, you are never going back to using XAMPP again. Now, let's go to the download page by clicking the download link on the menu. Here you can see there are 3 editions available: Laragon Full, Lite and Portable. For this tutorial, we are going to download the full version. Let's wait a while for it to download. The download is now complete. Let's install Laragon. Click OK. Next. Here you can choose where you want to install Laragon. I'm going to choose my C drive and click Next. On this screen, make sure you keep the Auto Virtual Host checked if you want Laragon to automatically add virtual hosts for you. Then click Next and then Install. Then give it a few minutes to install Laragon. Now click Finish. As you can see, Laragon has now started, but the softwares are not running yet. So we will click Start All button and allow access for Apache server. Then do the same for MySQL. Next, we will go to our browser and type localhost and press enter. Then you'll see this welcome page from Laragon, which means our local server is now running. Right here, you can see the document root for our server. This folder is where you'll keep all your websites or web apps. Now let's go inside this folder and find the PHP file that's showing this page in the browser. I'll make some changes to this file. Let's type hello world and save it. Let's go back to the browser and refresh to see the changes. As you can see, the changes are working. So this folder is where you keep all your websites. Let's create a folder called My Website. Then create a new text file and paste some HTML code and then save as index.html. Make sure you change Save As type to all files. Once it's saved, we'll delete the text file. We'll not open our file from here. Instead, we'll go back to the browser and type localhost/mywebsite. And now it's showing our website. So if we didn't want to type localhost before our website name and instead have something like mywebsite.test, Laragon can do that for us automatically. All you need to do is stop the server and start again. This will now make Laragon detect our project folder and add virtual host automatically. Now if we refresh the browser, our website is now showing properly. So if you want to change the top level domain from .test to, for example, say .local, all you need to do is go click this settings button and change the last part of your hostname to .local. Then we again restart the servers and Laragon is going to detect our project folder and add virtual host for it again. We can now delete .test and type .local and press enter. And we can see that our website is working with the new URL. Thanks for watching. Next week I'm going to show you how to install WordPress using Laragon.